kids' ice cream themed spa.
No? Just you? So you are the only princess, right?
Ava, say hi.
Hi. How are you? How are you?
She's getting a strawberry scented feet today.
I read somewhere online you have
Pick your favorite flavor. How cute
not the
is
nail
that?
polish. It's the manicures and pedicures when we do them. We use soap, scrub, and lotion. That smells like ice cream.
Oh, is that what it is?
We do everything by appointment, so if it's something you want to do, I would definitely book something in advance.
Okay.
And book it for the last day of your stay, when you're going to be all done swimming.
Okay.
Her mermaid
And
Hello
that's
Kitty.
like a little store over here. We sell
I'm not gonna be
stuff.
able to
We have
put these
menu
back
owner
on.
services
That's
right
fine.
here.
Does she have flip-flops?
Yeah, she's good.